Aikari a itura ria Kinamba matigitwo na kimako kumana na mayo maria Samuel Macharia arari namo agithikuria meri mugwanja iria yathikirwo gatagati-ini ka mwaka wa 1975 na mwaka wa 2016. Gitumi giake guthikuria meri iyo augite ni undu wa uria wenji wa mahiga ma Kware urathie ukuhiriirie tuburi tutu, aratanyaga kumithikuria na amithike mugunda-ini ungi mbere ya acokete kwendia mugunda uyu kuri mwenji umwe wa Kware.
Where I had already suggested, they told me to change the possession. I did that. But because of my financial situation, so my calculation now came to 290,000. I could not bear. I could not raise that much.
Joseph Macharia augite mitaratara mingi na mirahu ya githirikari iria arabatara gukuhingia mbere ya kuheo rutha ni igoti niguo kumithikuria ni ngirahuthirire ihinda iraya na mbeca nyingi.
To exhume one body, a grown up, would cost me 50,000 shillings. For a child, 30,000 shillings. So my calculation now came to 290,000. I could not bear. I could not raise that much.
Thigari igikinya gwake, mundurume uyu uria ni muhunjia wa kanitha umwe mwena wa Nairobi arakoretwo athikuritie tuburi tutatu turia twathikitwo nyina mumuciari, mutumia wake wa mbere na muruwe.
I processed all the required documents. Finally, I went to the High Court, Nairobi, with affidavit. They allowed me to continue. I came to Naivasha. I've gone to the court about 2-3 times. And finally, I came to the whole officer who is with me here now.
Umwe wa andu aria metanagio na muthuri uyu, Rebecca Wambui augite mama we ni aramamenyithĩtie mibango iria arari nayo ona gutuika ndamathereirie riria akamitabania.
Na sasa huwa ninamwogopa kwa kiroho. So siwezi nikamuulizia anafanya nini. Kwa sababu nilikuwa ninajua hiyo mili itafufuliwa na itahamishwa ipelekwe kwa shamba.
Miriam Wangari ni umwe wa aria marigainie mugunda na arauga maya ni maundu makoretwo makihanika itura-ini riri.
Kwa hivyo si ati kitu amefanya kwa siri. Huku kunafanya huyu sio wa mbele. Hiyo ni kawaida hapa. Juu sasa mai ikifikiwa, unajua hiyo mwili inaweza kuja madama hiyo nini tapakae huku, huwa tunachukua process, tunaipeleka kwa mochari, tunaipeleka pale pengine kwa shamba.
Kuringana na OCPD wa Naivasha Samuel Waweru, matigari ma meri iyo maratwarirwo mochari-ini ya thibitari ya Naivasha, nake Mwikwiru agitanywo kung'ethanira na watho ni undu wa guthikuria meri atari na rutha rwa igoti. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Kinamba, Naivasha, kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Festus Lango.